Hello viewer, I am 𝐓𝐰𝐢𝐭 and in this video I will show you how you can get Vidiq subscription in a free for boost plan. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, then please do subscribe to my YouTube channel to reach 2k subscriber and also like this video. Here you can see I had also created daily one video, so please do subscribe to my YouTube channel to watch latest video. Let's start this tutorial. First of all, you will need to install Vidiq Chrome extension in your Chrome profile. After that, just go to YouTube and click on this anything like here I am using. Click on this keyword inspector, then click on this upgrade to boost. Then here you can see it has two main plan, that is boost and another is pro, and boost cost is $49 and pro cost is $10. In this video I'll show you how you can get to pro plan in a just $1 and boost plan in a completely free. So please watch this complete video. If you need anything from this, then you can contact me on Instagram. I will provide you in a cheap price like Prime Video or old Facebook page or GitHub student developer pack or Skillshare 3 months or 2 months 1 month or Canva Premium for 1 year 6 month or 12 month or Grammarly Premium private account or Office 365 key or Windows key. Just contact me on Instagram. I will provide you in a cheap price. And if you are looking for any WordPress theme or plugin, I have some WordPress plugin and theme also, original license version, so I can provide you in a cheap price. Let's jump into our main video. Just choose the pro plan, and this is the pro plan, and we need to add here a promo code, that is think. Click on apply. Here you can see the cost is $1 and the original cost is $10. Now you can buy, just add your credit card or debit card detail and click on this subscribe and pay. You will get 1 month Vidiq plan. And the boost is, just click on upgrade to boost, then click on add a promo code and type here. Here you can see, just zoom this video, you will see the coupon code 1 trial by bot and click on apply button. Here you can see the cost is $0.98 and you got a almost $48 discount. Just add your card detail and subscribe and pay. And if you are looking for anything like SEO tool like Ahrefs, SEMrush, then I will suggest you to use bundledseo.com. This is a completely great website to buy any tool. Here you can see in an essential plan you will get SEMrush, Grammarly, 𝐂𝐿bot, WordAI and 𝐓𝐰𝐢𝐭𝐴. In a medium plan you will get SEMrush, Grammarly, 𝐶oolTest, WordAI, 𝐓𝐰𝐢𝐭𝐴, Majestic, Mozpro, Bootsumo, Spyfo, 𝐢𝐵𝐼𝐢𝐭𝐴, 𝐓𝐰𝐢𝐭𝐴, 𝐂𝐿bot. Same as $30. And the plan is, here you can see plan $10, $15, $30 and $49. If you use my coupon code, that is 𝐕𝐵𝐼𝐢𝐿, you will get 20% discount on anything you purchase. So I will suggest you to use bundledseo.com, and I will suggest you to please visit my blog website, because you will get some awesome hidden content which is not available on my YouTube channel. So if you are still watching this video and this video is helpful, then please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and also like this video. Thank you for watching video.